Hey, what up YouTube? Just bringing you another video. This video is just going to be kind of a year-end wrap-up, an overview of 2023, and I'll just put together some kind of a clip montage of the best moments of 23 for me. I'd say the best moment for me was not getting hurt this year like prior years, so I call that a win. But yeah, I just wanted to take the time to thank you guys for all the support, watching the videos, the comments. We reached 1,000 subscribers, which is a huge goal for me, and I really appreciate that, and couldn't do it without you guys. And this is kind of a tribute to 2023 and achieving goals, and I'm looking forward to 24. I got some videos in mind there. I've got some new mods I'm looking at doing to the bike, trying to finish it up. Forward to those videos coming up. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying the videos. If you're not a subscriber, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave some comments below. Let me know what you'd like to see. Let me know of some of the mods you'd want to see. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and switch it over to some clips here. Again, I appreciate all of y'all, and I hope you have a great holiday season. And enjoy the clips.
But I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the
Well, we're like barely into the ride and we're already stuck in snow, so we'll see. Well, YouTube, it's a muddy trail and snow packed. I think we overestimated the trails. We decided to head back down, give a different trail a try. Some of the snow is like 2 or 3 feet deep, so opted to avoid that. And we have river crossings that are also deep, hence the brake squeakage. So Feathers is way up ahead of us. He's just sending it. See if we can catch him. We didn't want to do this side because it is rocky for no real reason. Nice. upright. This is the slope of the mountain that we're climbing. So, I mean, that's probably almost more than 45 degrees up this. The trails themselves, sure, they're switchbacks, but I mean, you can see the elevation change from down there to this one. It's a climb. There's no doubt. Whoa! Not bad. That honestly is so goddamn steep that I'm on the little fender of my bike right now. Alright, so this is like a little 3-mile single track or ATV trail off the side of the main dirt road. Kind of goes up to the same area, but it's kind of rocky, it looks like, so could be a challenge. That looks cool. I don't think I've ever ridden this trail actually. Oh, this is nice. Get some nice smooth forest floor. Front tires holding up really well. Oh my God. This is kind of crazy. Oh my God. We're off. We got about 15, 16 people here. Really is a pretty trail. I'm glad we're doing this because wanted to do this for a long time, just always afraid of all the hikers and bikes coming down. My son's keeping up, which is great. I mean, holy shit, I can't see. Oh, I'm blind. I'm blind. Yeah. Oh, I'm blind. What's up? All right, now we're going down the Mueller Park side. Uh-oh, we all right?
You just slid off the trail.
Ooh. This is crazy at night. I seriously can't see anything unless it's in the light. Just a little snow riding today. That we probably can't do, huh?
What?
You think we can go up that? No. So,
how do you get a...
gotta run at it. Let's see what the knobby does up this for a second. Decided to come up some pretty icy trails. Like this is like a sheet of ice, and it did okay until it got too steep and we couldn't really get any traction. If this was just snowpack, which maybe we'll come back up when it is just snowpack or something, but for now it's just too much just ice. Like this is just a sheet of ice right here. My back tires completely locked up, just barely touching the brakes.